So if you are watching this video right now, you probably want to learn exactly how to earn PayPal money fast. So this is exactly what I'm going to teach you in today's video, and you don't need any money, you don't need any credit card to do this. So I want you to take a look at this right here. $51, right? $183, $103, $264, even up to $304 in PayPal money sending into your PayPal account. So the method that I'm going to teach you in today's video is for beginners. So it's very beginner friendly, it's very easy, and it takes about 20 minutes a day to do this, and you don't need any skill or experience to do this. So one thing I like about this website today is that they give you automatic PayPal deposit right within 24 hours, meaning you can actually receive your PayPal money after, right, just after 24 hours. It's very fast, very efficient, and you can receive money just like this. And again, this is absolutely free, right? You don't have to pay any money to do this method, and this is available worldwide, meaning everyone from any country, you can do this right now after watching this video. So right now, I'm going to show you your PayPal earning. As you can see here, if you complete a 5-minute, a simple task, you can earn $25. And when you do a 10-minute task, you're going to earn $75. And then when you do a 30-minute task, you can earn up to $300. And I'll show you exactly how to do them on your computer or on your phone. Now make sure you stick around and don't miss any part of this video, because I'll show you a special bonus at the end of this video where you can earn an extra $100 in PayPal money. Make sure you keep watching. Now make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go on and click on the subscribe button right now, and also don't forget to turn on all the notification bells so that you don't miss out when I release my brand new videos that can help you to make more money online. So I want you to pay close attention to this and don't skip any part of this video, right? Because the website that I want to show you today, which is Validately. Now I know that some of you guys, you might have actually came across this website before, but this is a brand new method that I want to show you step by step how to do this. But before that, I want to show you that PayPal, they're actually accepting people from all over the world. As you can see here, 200 countries and region. As you can see, Africa, Americas, Asia Pacific region, or even in a Europe country, right? All the country listed on this page. You can actually get a free PayPal account, and then you can start making money on this website, which is Validately. You can do it on your phone, you can do it on your computer. So as you can see here, this is a definitely legit company and a real opportunity, because they have been partnered up with big company, for example, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, right, Allstate, Twilio, all of these big company. And I'm gonna show you a real example, right, a live demonstration at the end of this video so that you can watch me step by step before you trying out on this website. So when you come over to this website, I want you to hover your mouse and go and click on this, right, get paid to test. Click on this link right here, and then you're gonna come on to this page. As you can see here, Validately test websites and make money. It is that simple. Now this is so much easier than what you think, because I'll show you exactly how to do it in a moment. So all you gotta do is just go on and click on this start making money, right? Click on this green button right here. So once you click on that button, you're gonna come onto this page. As you can see here, register as a tester and start earning money online. Now very important, I want you to don't skip any part of this video, because right now they're gonna ask you a total of 16 questions that you have to answer properly so that they actually approve your sign up. So I want you to watch this video all the way until the end before you go onto the website and try it out yourself. Now right now I'm going to click on this create an account button. As you can see here, this is question number 1. I'm going to do it live for you all the way until question 16, and at the end of this video I'm going to give you a real live demonstration on how to do this, right? As you can see here, I'm going to show a real live example on exactly how to do this so that you can start earning PayPal money. Make sure you don't skip any part of this. Now I'm going to come back to here and to complete my registration right now. So what type of mobile device do you own? So I'm going to select either iPhone or Android. Now for my case, I'm going to select iPhone, and I just click on next. So right here, what type of computer do you own? Now you will select maybe Mac or Windows PC. So for my case, I'll select Windows PC and just gonna click on next. So right here, what version of Windows do you use? I will select Windows 7, right? Windows 7, and just click on the next button. Question number 4, gender is not a big deal, male. Just click on next. So for question number 5, what year were you born? I'm just going to type in my answer right here and just click on next. So right here, very important, because when you select college graduate, right? You are going to receive a more higher paying job because right now you are an adult, right? You have an income, you have a job. So right now I will highly recommend you to select college graduate, and then you're going to click on the next button right here. What's your employment status? You can select either self-employed or full-time, part-time, okay? Either one of these, full-time, part-time, or self-employed. So right here, I'm going to click on self-employed, and I just click on the next button. So in what industry are you working? So right here for question number 8, you can select. When you click on here, you're going to see there are a lot of options, and then you can even click on this display additional results, and they'll show more results for you. So right now, I want to give you a bonus tip is that when you are in the industry of information technology, right? Something related to software, related to IT, related to AI or information technology, you are going to make so much more money on this website. So for me, myself, I will select information technology, and I just click on the next button. Question number 9, right? Make sure you keep watching because there are a total of 16 questions. And again, I'll show you a live example at the end of this video on how to do the job. So right now, as you can see here, what's the job title? So when I click on this tab right here, again, you can see there are a lot of options that you can choose from. I'll select marketing. I'll type in marketing, and I'll select search marketing strategies, right? Type in marketing and find here search marketing strategies, and I'm just going to click on next. So what's your annual household income? So for this question, you want to select somewhere in between around 25,000 up to 125,000. So I will select on the higher end right here for myself, and I'm just going to click on this next button. What's your full name? So I'm going to type in my name right here, and I just click on the next button. So on question 12, what's your email? So right here, I'm going to type in my email right here, and then just click on the next button, right? Question 13, very important because right now they want your PayPal email so that once you complete your job, they are able to send money into your PayPal account. Make sure you type in the right PayPal email. So once I key in my PayPal email right here, I'm going to click on the next button. So right here, question 14 is very simple. Just going to type in your password right here. So once I finish typing my password, I can go on to question 15. So when we go on to question 15, this is so important, right? Right here, they're going to ask you what time zone do you live in. Now, when you click on detect my location, you want to click on here, provide time zone manually, right? Click on this link right here, and you can actually select what time zone are you coming from. Maybe you're from Africa, right? Maybe from United States, you're from Indonesia, from Nigeria. You can select here and display additional results, and you're gonna find your country and just put in your time zone right here. So for the time zone, I'm gonna select America, and then for the country, I'm gonna type in a keyword United States, and then I'm gonna click on here United States. Now for the states, I can choose either one of these. For me myself, I'm gonna select Alaska, and then once you complete all of these 3 columns here, you're gonna click on the next. Now this is your final question, okay? Question 16. All you gotta do, just click on here, yes, I agree, and click on the sign up. So right now, congratulations, you successfully signed up your account after this long 16 question. I know that's a lot of question to answer, but again, you can do it in less than 2 minutes if you watch this video and just copy exactly what I'm doing. So as you can see here, thanks for signing up. They're gonna send you a confirmation email with a link to your screener test. Make sure you check your email inbox from Validately from the website, and then you're gonna click on the link in the email to activate your account. Now once you click on the link, you're gonna go through this simple 1-minute screener test, right? And I'll show you exactly how to do it, and then again I'll show a live example on how you can make money on this website. And then right here, you can click on this take the screener test right now. Okay, click on this green button right here. So as you can see, make money testing website from your home, right? We are recruiting people to test website from their phone or office. Now you can do it on your computer, you can do it on your phone. It takes just about 1 minute to do this. It's very fast. And then make sure you use the Google Chrome browser, right? On your phone, make sure you use the Google Chrome browser to open up this website, to click on the link on your email, right? When you're activating your account, and then you want to click on this button. As you can see here, I will test websites for money. Click on this white button, and then they're going to give you a tutorial. You can watch the tutorial videos, but again, it's very simple. This green little bubble here, this green little ball, is actually where you can click on them and show what's the task that you have to complete. So this is where your task instruction appear, right? This green ball right here, and then I'm just going to click on next. Now this ball right here going to go back to the top right hand corner. So whenever you need some help, you need to know what instruction to do, you you can always click on this to show task or hide the task. Okay, it's very convenient right here. You can drag it and drop whatever position that you want. So right now I'm going to click on here, okay, I'm ready to begin this test. Okay, click on this white button here. To begin, please install the Validately extension. Again, when I click on this white button here, and then you can come onto this page. As you can see here, Validately unmoderated testing. Over 30,000 users right now, they are using this tool to test website from home on their computer or on their phone, and they're able to make PayPal money by doing that. So right here you can click this blue button to add to your Chrome browser so that you can use this software to start testing website on your computer or on your phone. So once you have downloaded the Google Chrome extension, you're gonna receive job like this. For example, they want you to test the website, let's say on Amazon website, right? This is one of the job that you might receive, which is by visiting the Amazon website. The step and instruction is very simple. As you can see here, step number 1, you have to visit the Amazon website. At this link right here, they even provide you with the link. So all I gotta do, I'm just gonna click on this link right here and go on to Amazon website. So as you can see here, once I click on the link, I'm gonna go on to the Amazon website. Now it's very simple. I've completed step number 1. So as you can see here, I've actually visited the Amazon website. So step number 2, please take a screenshot of the Amazon website homepage. And the reason why you might want to take a screenshot or a photo is because you want to provide them with an evidence, a proof that you actually visited the Amazon website. So all I gotta do, if you are using your phone right now, you can just take a quick screenshot on your phone as a proof or evidence. If you're using computer, you can just print screen your entire screen, or you can use something like this, for example a snipping tool, and then you can just, for example, drag, and then you want to take a screenshot of the homepage, and then you can save the image right here as a proof or evidence that you actually visited the Amazon website. So right now I've actually completed step number 2 after I take a screenshot. So step number 3, they want me to test on whether or not I can locate the today's deal on the Amazon, and I want me to take a screenshot for that. So I'm gonna go onto the Amazon website and look for the today's deal. So as you can see here, when I go onto the Amazon website, the reason why they want us to locate the today's deals is because they want to know whether they're able to find the today's deal, because sometimes for certain websites it's very hard for you to find where you want, right? You don't know exactly where to click. So for me myself, I'm gonna look for it, where's the today's deal, but I'm gonna give you a quick tips because usually they're gonna be on top of the toolbar. As you can see here, I can quickly locate the today's deal, right? I'm gonna click on here, today's deal. So when I click on this button, I'm gonna go onto this page, as you can see here. So right now again, I'm gonna do a quick screenshot on the today's deal. So once I do that, I've completed step number 3. So once I've taken a screenshot on the today's deal page on Amazon, I'm gonna go on to step number 4. Please search for the Scott Standard bath tissue and take a screenshot. So I don't know what is that, but I'm gonna highlight this one, and then I'm just gonna copy this right here, copy. So I'm gonna go back to the Amazon website, and I'm just gonna paste, right? I'm gonna paste the entire keyword right here and just press on the search, and hopefully I'm able to find this thing right here, Scott Standard bath tissue, right? This is this right here, and then I'm just gonna click on this image. So all I gotta do, I'm just gonna take a screenshot of this right here of the entire page as a proof that I actually able to find this Scott tissue paper. So as you can see here, the step is very simple. The reason why they want us to test the website is because they want to make sure that whenever the customers or the browsers, they go on the Amazon website, they actually know how to find the today's deal. They actually know how to find, you know, whatever item that they want. So once you give them the evidence, the proof, the picture, the screenshot that we actually able to complete them, we are able to get paid through our PayPal account. Now as you can see here, the job is very simple. It's going to take you a few minutes to do them, and when you get more experience, you can do them faster and faster, and you can find so many jobs, so many websites that you can reveal, and then you can make so much PayPal money again and again. So if you think that this method today is so difficult and you want a more step-by-step training that you can follow and start making your first dollar, your first $10, your first $100, and even your first $1,000 online, go on and check out the first link down in the video description. That's my number 1 recommendation that's going to train you on how to make money online. Go on and click on the first link right now, and I'll send you all the details into your email inbox. So before you leave this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click on the subscribe button, and also you can check out the 2 videos as you can see here on the screen. Click on one of them and go on and watch on the next video tutorial, and I promise you, you can learn so much and start making a lot of money online, and I'll see you inside one of these videos right now.